Hey Globetrotters, and welcome back to my minimalist packing for ATL saga as it continues. So I have already packed my suitcase, my toiletry bag, and my makeup bag, and it's all minimalist to as far as I can go minimal. So if there's any tips for me to go even more minimal, please leave that down in the comments below. But I'm doing minimalist for the first time. This is my transition into a minimalist travel lifestyle, which was one of my New Year's resolutions. And now I'm going to show you what I am bringing in my personal items. So this is my personal item bag. It's a book bag that I got from Old Navy a while ago. I got it for free, actually. I think if you spent a certain amount of money on clothes at Old Navy, they had a book bag for free as a back to school promotion thing. So let's get right into it. In the front pocket of my bag, I have my monthly planner and a pencil and a mini lint brush for the jacket that I packed and for the hat that I'm going to wear onto the airplane. I did some moving around with my toiletry bag. I put my toiletry bag in this bag because I don't want to open up my suitcase when TSA actually remove all the liquids from your bag. So I took out my bar of soap, since it doesn't count as a liquid, and I put it in my juice pocket of my bag. And I put my hand sanitizer inside the bag along with my scrub gloves. So that's what I have there. I have my charger cord, so my phone cord and my computer cord. I will also be bringing the camera that I'm recording on and the tripod that it is currently propped on. This is the case for my camera and for my tripod. I also have my sadly broken, if you've seen my let's visit the best roti shop video, you'll see that that's when my tripod broke. My mom calls it a dual pod, if I'm not mistaken, because it only has 2 legs. But this is still my travel tripod until I get another one. I don't know when that will be, but so I have this with me. I'm also taking my GoPro because it will be raining quite a bit in Atlanta, so I can still manage to vlog with my GoPro. I have my makeup bag. This is my little vlogging equipment bag, so my vlogging stuff is in here. So I have some like the chargers for my cameras. What else do I have in here? I have some tripods. Well, no, I have one other tripod, and it's the tripod for the GoPro, and just tech stuff. If you want me to do like a tech video on what I bring with me to vlog, let me know that down in the comments, and I'll definitely do like travel tech video if you'd like. So this is my travel tech stuff. I have a travel wallet. I got this a while back before I decided to switch to minimalism. I thought it was really cute. It was on sale. Actually, my mom got this for me because I really liked it. She thought it was being ridiculous for not getting it, so she got this cute little wallet for me. So this is my wallet. And then I have a bum bag or a fanny pack, which this will be one of the bags that I use to wear outside when I'm like vlogging or going somewhere. And this would also be one of my, so it's a reusable bag, and I'm planning to use it as a pocketbook. I did it when I was in Canada. It came in great handy. It holds my travel, it holds like my reusable stuff well in it, and my like camera gear. I have a reusable grocery bag, and this is all stored inside of this bag. And then in the front pocket of my fanny pack, I have my reusable cutlery. No knife, of course, just a fork, a spoon, and straws. And then I have like my supplements as well. And that is all that is in this bag. And that, I believe, is it, other than the, like I said, the soap on the side. That is everything that I'm bringing, except for my computer, because my computer is currently uploading a video to YouTube. The camera that I am filming on, my tripod, and of course my hairbrush. I did not forget. I just have to brush my hair before I depart in the morning, which is in a few hours. So if you like what you saw today or tonight, like, it's nighttime. It is 2:23 in the morning in New York. So if you like what you saw in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. so you can stay up to date with all of my travel videos, and be sure to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. I am exhausted. And leave me some comments if I haven't said that already. I love speaking to you all. Like, I am so humbled and like grateful for all of my Globetrotters. You guys are so wonderful. So yes, this is it. I'm ready to go to sleep. So I'm gonna put myself by the door, and I will see you in Atlanta. And I cannot wait to actually, like, this is like my first travel of 2020, and I'm doing it as a minimalist traveler, you know, like, this is exciting. So I can't wait to do this with you and bring you along with me to Atlanta. And I hope you just have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.